Hello guys, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Since appropriate steps have been taken by the government of Haryana in this matter and the required action has also been taken against the officers found guilty of dereliction of their duties. In view of these facts, it is not necessary to pursue this matter any further, keeping in view the attitude of the government of Haryana to take necessary action itself. Stop. This special leave petition is disposed of accordingly. Stop. Para. The High Court of Punjab and Haryana allowed the CWP number 6675 of 1996 vide its order dated 8/12/1997 and set aside the order of dismissal passed against the applicant. Stop. Against the aforesaid order of the High Court, the state of Haryana filed letters patent appeal before the division bench of the High Court. Stop. Para. It appears that Inspector Ramphal had filed writ petition bearing number 6675 of 1996 seeking reinstatement. Stop. That writ petition was pending in January and December 2000 when orders of reinstatement were passed. Stop. Thus, order of reinstatement has been passed even though the matter was sub judice before the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. The writ petition was pending even when this court dealt with the CRL MP. Stop. It was not pointed out to this court that a writ petition was pending before the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. Had it been pointed out, this court could have directed that orders of this court be brought to the notice of Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. Writ petition number 6675 of 1996 reached for hearing before the Punjab and Haryana High Court on 9th December 2002. Stop. The Punjab and Haryana High Court, by order of the same date, has quashed the orders dated 29th March 1996 and 27th April 1996. Stop. Reading of the order dated 9th of December 2002 makes it clear that the only reason why the termination of service has been quashed is because an impression was given to the Punjab and Haryana High Court that the dismissal and reversion orders were only passed because of the conviction of the officer and that after acquittal there is no ground on which termination and reversion could be sustained. Stop. A reading of the order dated 9th of December 2002 shows that Punjab and Haryana High Court was not informed that an inquiry committee had found the officers guilty of dereliction of duty. Stop. The Punjab and Haryana High Court was not informed that a statement had been made before this court on 16th August 1996 and termination had taken place pursuant to the assurance given to this court. Stop. Also, the subsequent order dated 14th February 2001 has obviously not been brought to the notice of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. It appears to us that the government is colluding with the officer in trying to somehow or the other get him reinstated. Stop. In our view, this is playing with the courts. Stop. This cannot be permitted. Stop. We do not grant permission to reinstate Inspector Ramford. Stop. This order be brought to the notice of Punjab and Haryana High Court by the state of Haryana and by our registry. Stop.